Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Fresh and Rebel Twins 2 with an iPhone. And to do this, all you have to do is to open a case, and then they should enter pairing mode instantly, and we can go to the Bluetooth of our iPhone, go for Bluetooth settings, and here we have it. If you can't find them, you might need to close the case, hold this button for 5 seconds, then open a case again, wait till they power on and look for other devices. Now, if you still can't find them, you might need to reset them, and to do this, close the case again and hold this power key, reset key for the time until this LED lamp right here blinks 3 times. Now if you open the case again and wait a few seconds till they power on, you should see them and be able to connect. So click on your Twins 2 and now they are connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.